Hi, and welcome to another exciting story of Goosebumps Horror Town. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And right now, I'm building Mrs. Dirk's house. Dark's house. I got level 5, so I got the snowman furge for 110 Goosebump bucks. So I have to save my Goosebump bucks up. You always get 650 currency and 2 Goosebump bucks when you level up. You get a new monster, new items, new zones, new characters. Alright. Let me expand this area over here, and I know for a fact. Let's see what Lucy has. Creature teacher 2, 1 of 5. Even the most devoted monster hunters must make time to attend other matters, like having to do homework. Mom, if you had to, detect monsters hidden in the city, how would you do it? I know it's an odd question, but Mrs. Maurer sometimes asks us to do strange things for homework. Help Mom with chores. Help Mom with chores, that's a 5-minute. So I have to sell stuff. Okay, so I upgraded my inventory, and right here, this would be like 2 hours, 58 minutes until the expansion's done. So let's see what Lucy has now still. Lucy's still in home for 4 minutes. So as you can tell, when you expand, it expands your area. Oh. Mad Laboratory is being expanded too. And as you can tell, there's building, there's everything else in this game. So, this game is a lot of patience too, but right now, since that's only like 1 Goosebump buck, and we get like 2 every time we log in, let's go ahead. Mom, I'm done with chores. Can I go out and play? Thank you. Hey, Dustin, do you want to come to the treehouse with me? We have to work to do. Don't you think that's a little misgrammared there? Let's see, if we had to choose a place to start the investigation, where would it be? It has to be a busy place where lots of people visit daily. Well, the arcade is a place where... I have it. Sorry to interrupt you, but let's go to the gazebo in the downtown park. Place a gazebo and search. Downtown park. Now with Lucy, search for strange clues. The reward is a magnifying glass, 20 Goosebump coins, and 10. Looks like Monster Splat or something. So, in the meantime, let's check. Lucy's doing that. Look at this, Dustin. Look at the shape of the fingerprints. And the size of these fingerprints, they're huge. If these are just the claws, can you imagine the size of this monster? Yes, very big. Is that the answer? You got it, Dustin. Dustin, do you know what we need to take a fingerprint record at a crime scene? Yeah, a police detective, just like in the movies. No, we need a clear tape and some kind of dust, like chalk or makeup. Sure, that was the second thing I was going to say. Build a school supply store. Building the school supply store would be hard because now I'm out of coins, so let's just click on somebody and get those coins. You always gotta put them on quests too, because you'll run out of coins. Let's skip. You got Mrs. Dirk. I won't touch Mrs. Dirk yet until... Oops. The Girl Who Cried Monster 3. For some, parenting in the girl's helpless human can mean the difference between life and death. Especially if a Monster Hunter moves in nearby. Phew! I've finally done moving in. Good morning, new home. I'm exhausted, but I'll pop over to meet the new neighbors. Borrow a book from the library. Miss Dirk has, for quest, borrow a book from the library. Make a nice headdress. Make the neighbors jealous. Now let's go back to Creature Teacher and build a school supply store. How strange! Some of the tricks of Subject A how tracks of chalk already. What do you think it means, Dustin? That there's another kids club that solves mysteries and they beat us to the punch? Maybe, Dustin, but it could also be another reason. Come, let's go to the treehouse. First, we must compare the fingerprints we find, assign them a code, and group them by category. I got it. I can do this. Perfect, Dustin. Then we have to open a file for each case we investigate. I wish we had a camera. That would be our next goal. Obtain a fingerprint registry. So I see how you get all this stuff. You have to go through quests with the other neighbors and creatures and people in the town. And then you can craft. So we have to get a makeup kit. You can buy this item from the beauty store. You can need this craft item at the mystery club. You can get this item from the school supply store. The crash site. Looks like we can go up here too. But those are other levels. For other time. To craft the bone fingers, we need the evidence record. So we have to craft an evidence record. For 1 minute and 54 seconds. And Dustin still doing 10 minutes and 46 seconds. Expanding areas 2 hours and 50. 2 hours and 52 seconds for that area. Good afternoon. I'm new in the city and I would like to check out this book. You're the person to talk to, right? Good afternoon. I am Mr. Mortman, the librarian. Here, you can call me Eugene if you like. Nice to meet you, Eugene. I'm Mrs. Dirk, but you can call me Lane. It's a pleasure. The pleasure is all mine, Lane. Let's get that book checked out for you. Where'd she go? Dear Lucy and Randy, the move has been exhausting, but I'm finally ready to enjoy the new house. The city seems like a nice place to live in. Today, I met several neighbors and they are very friendly. There is one in particular, though, Mr. Mortman. He disturbs me like a little, but I hope I'm wrong. Study and have lots of fun. I miss you, Mom. Place a mailbox, mail kids, studying abroad. Now let's place a mailbox. Make a nice headdress, mail kids and study abroad, which you get flashcards and you get the makeup from the headdress. And there she goes, milling her nice letters to her kids. For 4 minutes and 35 seconds. I miss Lucy and Randy. Since they went to study abroad, I feel lost. I know it's the best for them, but the house is very big and it feels empty without them. I'd like them to be here with me, but it's better if I first make sure the city is safe for us. Thinking about the children left me feeling a little depressed. I need to clear my mind. I'll go for a walk in the woods. I'll find a nice place where I can read the book I borrowed from the library. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde isn't my favorite feel-good book, but it's fine, I guess. Place an iron park bench and read the classic horror book. The iron park bench would be down here with the gazebo, wherever I put the gazebo. Now, I'll just let... Oh, she adds on quests. When she's done with one quest, she adds more quests, Mrs. Dirk does. Oh, these characters get creepier and creepier. Read a classic horror book. Rewards, one classic horror book. And there she goes, reading her classic horror book on the park bench. The arbor bench, to be exact. So as we wait, I can tell you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And please, also don't forget to click that bell notification icon, like always, so you can be notified when I make new videos come out. Bye. I'll see you in the next part. Bye.